Hi friends, this is my Unix 10th experiment. This is about inter-process communication using shared memory. Here I have to demonstrate about inter-process communication between two processes using shared memory. First, process 1 creates a shared memory and writes some string into the shared memory, then waits for the other process to read and modify the shared memory content. This is about the first process. Second process must what it must do, it must gets the shared memory created by process 1. It must acquire, or it must go through the shared memory which was created by process 1, reads the string which was created by process 1, and actually it has to do the reverse the string, modifies the content, and it has to display. So now we'll move. My first I'm entering the key, getting the key value, and then using shared memory ID and shared get the key value, and I'm just creating IPC create. This is I'm giving permissions. Then if my shared memory ID is less than 0, the space is not created, else the space is created. Then virtual address is equals to, I'm just creating a pointer virtual address that is equals to the shared memory shared memory ID, 0, so it takes a value. Now I'm creating another pointer str. Str is equals to virtual address which locates to this space memory, and then I'm displaying cout str. Then I'm entering the string below. Which string I have to enter? I am entering the string below, I am getting it, and I am making this to sleep for 15 seconds. Since this is a process 1 which waits for the process 2 to change the content of this process, so it instantly sleep for 15 seconds, and then my reverse string will be displayed. So reverse string is, this is another program. This is process 2 program. Here first I have to enter the key, and then if my shared memory is less than 0, similarly to that the key is being getted and permissions are given, and IPC is not created. I am not creating here, I am just using the memory which was created by the shared memory the process 1. Now my shared memory is less than 0, it is not created, else it is created. Then similarly I am creating a virtual address pointer and str pointer, and I am assigning str is equal to virtual address which denotes to this one, and then I am creating array pointer. Array pointer is equals to str. So string str of array. So str1 is a string that is of array point, where the array points, and then another string is created, strr, that is equals to null. Then here what I am doing, int l is equals to str of 1 dot size. I am just getting the size of it, and then for int I is equals to l minus 1. L is this value, int l minus 1, l is greater than 0, l minus minus, and str is equals to str plus str of I of 1. So str denotes to one memory location. I am adding along with the current location, that is I, l minus 1, and then str of copy. I am just copying and I am reversing it. Cout str. I am just reversing it in the shared memory which was created by the process 1. Now we will run it and see. I'm giving 1007. So space created. Now I'm just entering suppose amazing is a string which is entered. Now in my second process 2, what I am doing, I am just same key created. So my amazing is being reversed in this process 2. So this is all about my 10th experiment. The process 1 creates a shared memory and it gets a string from the user, and process 2 is to go to the shared memory which was created by process 1, change all the contents of the file, that is reversing the string, and then it displays. So see here, you're able to see my amazing has been reversed over here. So this is all about my 10th experiment, and thank you.